चेक. ऑलराइट, शुरू करें. ओके, आई नो बारिश वाला दिन है. गो अहेड. थोड़ी और आई नो हिम फ्रॉम फ्यू इवेंट्स. दत्ता भाई, आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ओके, नमस्ते, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, वड़क्कम, सलाम. आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं यहाँ पर रिलायंस डिजिटल एक्सप्रेस में. और मैं चाहूंगा कि रिलायंस डिजिटल एक्सप्रेस की टीम जो है वो थोड़ी सी आवाज कर दे. मेक सम नॉइज गाइस, दिस इज हैपनिंग एट हियर. एनर्जी. ओके, ये शाम is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of thrills, a lot of action, and a lot of chase-based activity on this stage. And to take this wonderful evening forward, I would like to call upon a very distinguished gentleman, and he's Mr. Samir Ganapathy. Sir, can we have you on stage here with us? The Chief Operating Officer, the digital arm of UTV, Disney UTV. May we have him on stage, please? Hello, sir. Welcome. And yeah, that's some energy. Where's the energy from UTV? Where are you guys? Yeah, make some noise. Welcome. It's on, sir. It's on. So, sir, exciting day. I know barish ho rahi thi bahar, so a long day for everybody. But are you excited right now?
Yes, it is, and it's very rare that you get to see the forecast from the weather department actually come true.
अच्छा, मतलब weather department की prediction आज पहली बार true आई है. Okay.
So, yes, we're looking forward. It's
They
very
came a little late, but sir, tell us about this game and how excited are you from Disney UTV to take this forward? Big movie, big star. Indians love movies, and today we love mobile phones. So tell us more about the game, sir.
Well, the culture of movie viewing is ingrained in our DNA, and also the fact that we have such a high mobile penetration, gaming is also an integral part of our lives. This is not the first time we are collaborating with Red Chillies. It's actually the second time.
Okay.
We worked with them very closely when RA1 was released, and this is a very, very strong creative collaboration, what we have managed to work together with them. I think it is by sheer brilliance that the teams all across the place have managed to put this product out together, and we hope that you will have a lot of fun with the game.
Okay, so we'll have lots of fun, but everybody's waiting to see the game. Some of them got to play it there. So let's get on one more gentleman and on stage.
Sure.
And he's given a new definition to what we call as action cinema today. And he's infused it with a lot of explosions, a lot of comedy, lots of activity on the 70mm screen. I'd like to call upon stage Mr. Rohit Shetty, the director of Chennai Express. Oh, there he is! Come on, everybody! Where's the noise? Hi, Rohit. And ये आपके लिए. Okay. And Rohit, exciting times.
Yeah, a lot of work.
A lot of work. I think gaming is fun, right? You get to play games and
Yeah, I just
You
my
insta-
interest is getting inclined because of my fatherhood.
Okay.
Because of my son, I've got into all this.
Okay.
And now I'm enjoying it myself.
Yeah, when we were growing up, games went cricket and something else, but today everybody's on their mobile phones. So tell us more about your association with Disney UTV and the great experience you guys are bringing to all of us. The audience is going to love it. Indians in India and abroad are going to love it. We all love movies, and of course, with Shah Rukh
It's been a
Khan
great
in it.
experience, and especially I'm very happy that we are in association with Disney, UTV Disney, because it's a kind of film which kids will love, family will love, and Disney is associated with that. So I'm very happy that Disney is presenting this film.
Okay, so it's a family movie, mass entertainer,
Yeah.
and games for mass entertainment on the chota screen also.
Exactly.
Okay, so tell us more about the game. We'd like to actually see you play the game if
I
you
would
can.
like you to call Mr. Sarke, and if he guides it, it'll be better.
Okay, you want him to guide you with that. What we'll do is, आप लोग
He's
को
better
देखना
at
है.
doing all this, I think.
You want to see him play the Chennai Express mobile game?
Yeah, but they all
Where's
are
the
waiting.
noise, everybody?
I think
Okay.
let's call the guy for what they're waiting for. Actually, they all are waiting for.
We'll get him on and. So we'll
where
have
do we
him on the
play
game.
that? Okay,
And
I'm
we've
very
kept
bad
some
at this.
devices. No, we've kept the devices ready for you, and we'll be having him on. Sir, why don't you take your seat here, please, and please be seated with us. Sir, ये गेम ऐसी है जो भागने वाली है, लेकिन बैठने के खेलने में अच्छा लगता है.
Okay.
And yeah, so they're going to be playing it here. We'll get it on. Okay, we're getting it done. You can see it on the screens, and we'll get to see India's most dynamic director now playing a game on his mobile. Let's see this. And there is the game. It starts off.
Let him come, na? Yes, sir. So I paused the game for a reason, and
He's paused the game for a reason. क्या हो गया?
where is Rahul?
Yeah, I'm coming, Rohit. I don't think you can do what I can do. I have to come and teach you how to play this game. तुम action में अच्छे हो, direction में अच्छे हो, film writing में अच्छे हो, लेकिन video games में you can't beat me at all.
And there is Shah Rukh Khan on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise.
मसला हो सिंपल या फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स, कुछ भी हो पंगा ना हो
There we have it.
खुद से ही है हम बड़े ही इम्प्रेस के प्रॉब्लम से पीछा छुड़ाने का यही तरीका है यार, यही है प्रोसेस। टिकट खरीद के बैठा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस। और टिकट खरीद के बैठा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस। चेन्नई
There will be photo ops later on. You will all get your time. He's mobbed. It is a surreal feeling. We'll have a photo op session. Thank you, Shukriya. मेरे camera crew भी है वहाँ पर. Thank you. And the dice is all yours, gentlemen. Okay. Yeah, we'll have someone with the games. Sir, excited? आप अपनी पिक्चरों में इतना एक्शन करते हो. And now, it's going to be great fun to see you.
Yeah, first of all, everyone, बैठ जाना, मार खाएगा पीछे से. First of all, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, and thank you for being here. And a special thanks to Reliance Digital Express for allowing us this space. Fantastic shop, fantastic facility. Thank you very much, everyone at Reliance Digital Express. And एक बहुत ही स्पेशल थैंक्स हमारे जो फिल्म के भी पार्टनर्स हैं और जिन्होंने इस गेम को प्रोड्यूस करने में, बनाने में, बहुत सारे गेमर्स, प्रोग्रामर्स, डिजाइनर्स यहाँ पर हैं. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल यू बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. और डिज्नी यूटीवी and Mr. Ganpati, Ashley, Ronnie and Siddharth, all of them who've been with us even during Ravan. And I think this new production of the game is the most exciting one, though I think I like those games also a lot. So thank you very much for helping us out with bringing out this new medium. जब एक फिल्म बनती है तो उसकी बहुत सारे पहलू होते हैं. Of course, मेन पहलू यही होता है कि कहानी अच्छी हो, उसको डायरेक्टर कैसे बनाए, बाकी एक्टर्स उसमें कैसा काम करें और आप लोगों तक पहुंचे. लेकिन अब बहुत सारी एंसिलरी चीजें हो चुकी हैं, गेमिंग हो चुका है और प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं कंप्यूटर्स पे. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट द होल 360 डिग्री एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट that a production company, whether it's Disney, UTV, Red Chillies or Rohit Shetty, when they want to send it to the audience, it should be all over for the younger ones, for the middle-aged ones and for the older ones, because that's what family cinema is about. So this is a step towards that and it's extremely exciting and मुझसे ज़्यादा सवाल मत पूछो, मुझको गेम खिलवा दो क्योंकि मैं वही करने आया हूँ सिर्फ.
तो शुरू करें गेम हो जाए.
एक मिनट,
Who's going to win?
और कुछ पूछना है.
Yeah, let it come on screen. I'm taking time. Who's going to win?
100%. मतलब ओ कौन बोला ये? कौन बोला ये?
आवाज इधर से आएगी.
किसकी निकली आवाज ये? ओके ठीक है. तो आधे लोग रोहित के लिए शाउट करना, आधे मेरे लिए. और जो हारी हुई टीम होगी उनको कान पकड़ के खड़ा होना पड़ेगा अपनी अपनी कुर्सियों के ऊपर. सो विल सी. चूज, अब ध्यान से चूज करना किस टीम को चूज करोगे.
शेर है तो काफी है सर यहाँ पर. शेर काफी है.
चेस में सबको खड़ा करता हूँ.
सबको वो करते हैं. ठीक है.
Ready?
So we are just getting
Ready,
this
steady,
on the
pause.
screen. There it is.
Which is Rohit's screen.
This is yours. That's yours, sir. लेकिन आपके स्क्रीन, आपके मोबाइल पे भी आपको दिखेगा.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा उल्टा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मेरे पॉइंट्स जो है रोहित के उसमें रखें.
नहीं. That is the official Rahul screen. This is the official Rohit screen.
मेरे साथ कुछ और ही हो रहा है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
ये देखो पहले ही बहाने शुरू कर दिए रोहित ने.
वो मोबाइल डर गया सर आपसे. Okay, so
रोहित तुम्हारी एक्शन टीम बुलाऊं?
okay, so that will be coming in short. And sir, how excited are you? Game now you're coming down with. And
I'm very excited यार. मैंने कल रात को खेली. हम बहुत काम कर रहे हैं. डे नाइट काम चल रहा है फिल्म का पोस्ट में. लेकिन रात को मैंने 1.5-2 घंटा ये गेम खेली and it's very nice. I think it's a simple game, straightforward to it. Difficult भी है, but it's very enjoyable. It lends itself to being addicted to it.
So who's the bigger game freak in the house, you or the children?
The kids play much higher games than what I play now. हम दोनों का एक दिन मैंने रोहित अपने लड़के को लेके आया था सेट पे, मैं अपने को, और हमने कोशिश की थी कि हम गेम ऑन कर दें. हम दोनों गेम ऑन ही नहीं कर सके 2 घंटे तक. So उनसे कंपटीशन अभी बेकार है.
No, kids are adapt to technology much better. So we are back with the screens, and there it is. That's the official Rahul screen. That's the official.
नहीं, रोहित का फिर चला गया.
Okay.
होता ही है.
So
ऐसा हम कितनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऐसा होता है ना, जो गेमिंग करने की हम कोशिश करते हैं स्क्रीन पे नहीं आती कभी भी. हर कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऐसा होता है.
और सर आपको ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि by the time we get this on, a shout out to all your fans because this is going live. And people from America, the UK, all across the globe, जो आपके fans हैं, could you just say a hi to all of them?
Yes, hi to everyone all around the world, and आप सबको रमजान मुबारक हो और उसके बाद ईद भी, and thank you so much for keeping awake if you are keeping awake or about to sleep, and hopefully this will be an experience that will bring some cheer to your lives when the film releases. So thank you everyone in UK, US, everywhere all around the world. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's all happening from Reliance Digital Express, and Express तरीके से game आ गई वापस. And hold on, we'll get the screen on. We want to know who wins, and the audience also wants to know who wins. What about the guys from Reliance Digital Express? Whom do you think will win? Girls, इतनी कम आवाज. Where's the noise यार?
एक काम करता हूँ, मैं खेलता ही नहीं.
All of you scream Rohit next time. Get to be. Okay, there is the game.
No, but it's not coming. मेरे साथ साजिश रची जा रही है.
Okay. चलिए, ये टेक्नोलॉजी है, कभी कभी आपकी बात नहीं सुनती है. And we'll get this sorted till that time. And he is already. लग रहा है फिर कल रात की मेहनत अभी काम आने वाली है सर. And that is Shahrukh playing the game there as of now. We'll get him to compete with Rohit. Oh! सिर्फ 300 मीटर.
ऐसे ही होता है, जब ये खेलने उतरते तो यही खेलते हैं, बाकी सब साइड हो जाते हैं.
ओके, ऐसा करते हैं,
मेरा स्कोर
डिवाइस इन्हें दे देते हैं.
1310 है. 300 मीटर्स. अभी
300 मीटर.
ये मैंने
नीचे
किया
स्कोर आया
अभी
सर.
सबके सामने किया पब्लिकली.
And now it's Rohit Shetty. Let's see. There it goes. Make some noise. UTV, where are you guys? This is your game. मेहनत करके इसको मोबाइल पे आप लेकर आए हो. Make some noise. Oh. And there it is. Oh, he knows the game. Oh, scores देखते हैं, hold on.
पे आएगा.
And the official scores 276 meters and सिर्फ 3040 coins.
I can give you one more chance. Okay.
Okay, he says he wants to play with the left hand. 3, 2, 1, and the game begins now. Oi.
ये अनफेयर है मेरे हाथ में. हाँ अभी पसीना वसीना आ गया मेरे हाथ में. मैं नहीं खेल रहा.
3, 2, 1, and it begins now. सर 300 मीटर है इस टाइम.
Okay, so 1-1 now. Okay, final.
बेस्ट ऑफ 3 कर ले. बेस्ट ऑफ 3. पीछे से क्राउड से आवाज आ रही है. आखिरी मौका.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँ. मेरी गेम वापस करो. ये मेरा है तो अपना लिख रहा हूँ. ठीक है. अभी उम्र में बड़ा है इसलिए मैं अलाउ कर रहा हूँ इसको ऐसे.
चलिए इसके साथ साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल हमने वीडियो बनाई थी इस गेम की ऑफिशियल लॉन्च के लिए. एंड आप लोग बेहतरीन तो बहुत खेलते हैं. एंड लेट्स हैव द वीडियो. लेट्स सी द वीडियो सर. दिस इज द ऑफिशियल. Okay. Sir, ये पहली गेम है जिसमें हीरोइन भी है and a very beautiful heroine at that one. So tell us more about this game and how you this idea I think came in from your side that you had to bring in Meena in.
ऐसे शक्ल से लग रहा है कि तुझे खुशी ज्यादा हो रही है इस बात की. बड़ी प्रिटी.
She's so pretty. क्या करें?
या एक्चुअली अनलॉक होते हैं कैरेक्टर्स एज द गेम प्रोग्रेसेस. जैसे बढ़ती रहती है गेमर्स को मालूम होगा रनिंग गेम है एंड जैसे टेंपल रन वगैरह और अनलॉक होते हैं. तो 10,000 कॉइन्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद जो मुझको और रोहित को जब हम बैक स्टेज ट्राई कर रहे थे बहुत ज्यादा लगता है लेकिन खूबसूरत चीजों के लिए मेहनत ज्यादा करनी पड़ती है. सो इसलिए 10,000 कॉइन्स इफ यू कलेक्ट देन द कैरेक्टर मीना ऑल्सो गेट्स अनलॉक. मीना लोचनी का जो कैरेक्टर है एंड दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन द फिल्म. हम लोग एक दो जगह पर फिल्म के अंदर भाग रहे हैं दुश्मनों से या वो लोग जो हमें पकड़ना चाह रहे हैं एंड द गेम इज डिजाइन लाइक दैट कि वी आर ऑन द रन. सो देन वंस मीना लोचनी इज लॉक्ड all the boys can play as Meena instead of as Rahul. And she, as a cartoon animated character, I think Disney UTV and all the programmers and designers have made her look very pretty and very sweet. Dimples and all, so people will enjoy that too.
Okay, so we all are looking forward to the game. And tell us more about bringing women up today because आपने ये game में इनको डाला था इसलिए and you always like to bring women forward. Please tell us about your views on that, sir.
I mean, nothing special like that. She is the protagonist of the film. जैसे मैं हूँ और बहुत सत्यराज जी हैं और निकेतन हैं और भी बहुत सारे किरदार हैं. सब प्रोटैगनिस्ट फिल्म के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. And I think there is no difference between a woman or a man protagonist in a film. So just keeping up with that, I think any game that is designed should be designed with as many characters of the film. It's only fair. और also जो डायरेक्टर हैं फिल्म के, राइटर्स हैं फिल्म के, उनको भी खुशी होती है कि जितनी फिल्म से मिलती जुलती गेम हो, it's nicer. So it's not alien to it. So this game actually is very much like the film, and the main characters or the main protagonist, Meena and Rahul, are there on the screen.
So great expectations from the movie and even with the game. And with that, sir, we'll proceed towards the question and answer session. The house is open for questions. Please raise your hand and the mic will be passed to you. And आपसे थोड़ी एक छोटी सी दरख्वास्त होगी कि questions related to the movie and the game, the mobile game.
तुमने कह दिया, इनने मान लिया.
सर बोलने में क्या जाता है सर? मेरी ड्यूटी है सर. मेरे चेक में से एक शून्य गायब हो जाएगा नहीं बोला था तो.
Shahrukh, hi. Shahrukh, hi. I promise you my next question will be on Chennai Express. But all of us present here want to know the significance of the hug that was exchanged with Salman Khan at the iftar party and that the two warring Khans are friends again. If you could just throw some light on that. All of us present here would want to know that.
You know, I'll be very honest, there has, whether it's my relationship, friendships, personal aspects, I think none of the people that have had relationships like this, all the men and women, and I've never dignified it by talking about it in public. I like to keep it like this. And, you know, people have, with due respect, their tabloid analysis to this. So much is said, so much is heard, so much is written. But as far as we are concerned, I've always been one. Whenever I've been in a passionate issue, that I've never spoken about it. I'm not going to bring it now. And I will never talk about it. And, you know, it's for everyone to take it forth. There's nothing coming from, you know, in terms of explanation and all that I'm reading and hearing about it really.
और शाहरुख दोस्ती का सलमान ने पढ़ा या फिर
Can we have questions please with regard to the इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद यहाँ आए हैं, लोगों ने गेम के पीछे मेहनत करी है, उसको लॉन्च करने के लिए यहाँ पर स्टार्स आए हुए हैं. So आपसे अनुरोध होगा, रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि keep it to this forum.
Hi Shahrukh.
इतनी बारिश में.
Hi Shahrukh. What was your role in developing the game? Like how deeply you were involved in developing the Chennai Express mobile game?
Actually, you know, Disney UTV के साथ हमने पहले भी काम किया हुआ है. इनकी जो पूरी टीम है बहुत ही ज़्यादा you know advanced है in terms of gaming and designing. और ये अभी Android phones के लिए है, iOS पे बाद में आएगा और feature phones के लिए है. लेकिन एक शुरुआत है जो पिछले 5, 7, 8 सालों से Disney UTV और सब लोग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And I think it's best left after the narration and the conceptualization of the story being told to them.
Okay.
And in this case, because UTV is also the producer of the film, so they have access to the film from day one when we've narrated the story and heard it. So they are with the film right from beginning, which has added a lot of value to it. And of course, having said that, looking at the characters, the sweetness, the music, Rohit and me are always called upon, shown what is happening, and then, given our 2 bits. But genuinely the credit, and I think this game is really nice and sweet, the credit lies with the programmers and the designers of the game.
Okay. Sounds good. What is the difference between the iOS and the Android version of the game like?
I don't know technically. I think on the feature phones 2D, if I'm not mistaken, and on the Android phones it's 3D. And if there is any other difference you'd like to?
The fundamentals of the game remain the same. It's going to be available on iOS. It's available. It goes up as early as this evening. The iOS version isn't built currently and will be up soon.
Shahrukh.
हम लोग बहुत गेम्स खेलते थे एक्चुअली. हाँ, रोहित ने हमको ट्रेन की पटरियों पर, और इलीगली नहीं, लीगली, क्योंकि वहां बंद था, ट्रेन लेट हो गई थी, रुक गई थी एक्चुअली ट्रेन 1.5 घंटे के लिए, तो हमने ट्रैक्स की साइड में क्रिकेट का पूरा एक मैच खेला है. उसके अलावा रात को 12 बजे लाइटें लगा के होटल के बाहर बारिश में क्रिकेट मैच खेला है. उसके अलावा हम केबीसी खेलते थे सेट के ऊपर, केबीसी का वर्जन हु वांट्स टू बी अ मिलियनेयर. फिर रोहित ने बॉलीवुड का केबीसी लेकर आए थे. वी प्लेड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ गेम्स एक्चुअली. वी इवन प्लेड ट्रूथ एंड डेयर. उसके बारे में हम आपको नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन बहुत सारी गेम्स. एक्चुअली गेम्स वाज अ बिग थिंग, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म की शूटिंग काफी राउंड द क्लॉक होती थी. So just to keep the mood up, I think Rohit and all the team, they used to bring up games and we used to keep playing lots of them. नहीं, मैं यार जीत जो है ह्यूमिलिटी से ही लेता हूँ, और मैं बहुत बारी जीतने देता हूँ. जैसे अभी मैंने रोहित को, मैं जब हारता हूँ मैं यही कहता हूँ कि मैं दूसरे को जीतने दिया.
शाहरुख, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की रिलीज जो है, जो 1 दिन से पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि जो एक्स्ट्रा डेज का एडवांस फायदा जो आपको मिलने वाला था, फिल्म को मिलता, वो अब कहीं ना कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, या व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट?
खुशी से क्यों पूछ रही तुम?
मुझे तो नहीं पूछ रहे, आई एम जस्ट वांट टू नो योर ओपिनियन.
नहीं, आई थिंक फ्राइडे को, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, जहां तक मेरी समझ है, ये यूटीवी का डिसीजन है कि द फिल्म शुड रिलीज ऑन 9th नाउ, जो फ्राइडे होता है. लेकिन आई थिंक 9th को काफी हद तक, अगर मेरी गलत नहीं सोच, बैंक हॉलीडे है. सो यू डू गेट द एडवांटेज ऑन 9th ऑफ अ डे ऑफ. एंड आई थिंक हर फिल्म की अपनी एक किस्मत होती है, अपना एक आगे जाने का तरीका होता है. बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है. सो आई एम श्योर वट एवर वी लूज आउट ऑन अ डे ऑफ, वी विल गेन सम अदर टाइम एज द फिल्म प्रोग्रेसेस. वाई बिलीव द फिल्म इज ओनली गोइंग टू बी फॉर 3 or 5 days. We'd like to believe it'll run for a couple of weeks or more than that, and on the basis of the story and how people like it. So inshallah we'll get some other holidays along the way.
Rohit, firstly,
Please raise your
congrats.
hand.
मैं हाँ, थोड़ा काम ज्यादा बढ़ गया है, बट अब करना ही है. फिल्म की रिलीज है. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हम एक्चुअली थ्रू आउट द शूटिंग रोहित वाज वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द शोल्डर सर्जरी. तो काफी तकलीफ में, और पूरा एक जो मुक्के हैं उस साइड से बनाए जिस साइड पे चोट ना लगे. एंड आई वाज रियली कीन कि जैसे ही फिल्म खत्म हो मैं कर लूं कि प्रमोशन तक ठीक हो जाऊं. सो अभी थोड़ी तकलीफ है, लेकिन आई गेस अनदर वीक और 2 आई विल बी ऑल राइट. ऐसा मुश्किल नहीं है, थोड़ी तकलीफ है. सो दे ऑल टेक केयर ऑफ मी एंड आई विल बी ऑल राइट.
Rohit, firstly, congrats. You just won the game. And I just wanted to know, Shahrukh was so engrossed while he was playing the game. And we've seen, his love for games, so many times. So tell me, how competitive is Shahrukh Khan too? You've directed him now. So how competitive is Shahrukh Khan if you had to actually define his, competition levels?
How do I answer that?
You have to answer. Like, you've worked with Shahrukh, you know him so well.
I think
now.
he's the most hardworking human being. Forget an actor or a hero, or a producer. I've seen, my experience have been with him, and he's, I would say that he's the best captain. He keeps his team motivated, on their toes, and he knows how to remove the best out of his team. So he's the best captain, I would say.
Shahrukh, I wanted to know, do you think this year is the best year for you? We've seen, now Chennai Express, you're working with a director like Rohit Shetty. We got to see you and Salman becoming friends again. So for us, it was a big, big thing. So what do you have to define this year like now?
Actually, I always say, count your life by smiles, not tears, and count your age by friends, not years. So I've made a great friend in Rohit Shetty this year, apart from the fact that he's made a wonderful film for me. And मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला है इस जॉनर के, because रोहित मुझे लगते हैं one of the few directors हमारे देश में इस वक्त है जिनका अपना ब्रांड ऑफ सिनेमा है. You can't put it in a description कि एक्शन है, थ्रिलर है, कॉमेडिक है. So I'm actually very fortunate and the experience has been beautiful. तो साल के काम के हिसाब से अगर मैं बोलूं तो शुरुआत बहुत खूबसूरत है कि चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस डायरेक्टेड बाय रोहित शेट्टी में मैं काम कर रहा हूं. दीपिका और मैं उस बात से बहुत खुश हैं और इंशाल्लाह दिस विल मेक अस इवन मोर competitive in a good way. कितनी अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, इसके बाद और मेहनत करेंगे, बेहतर जाएंगे. So I'm extremely happy that I've waited 6-8 months and got such a wonderful film with such a wonderful team of people, and I've made a wonderful friend in Rohit. So it's really nice and inshallah let's see. अभी तो साल बाकी है, अच्छी चीजें होती रहेंगी. आप भी दुआ करो, मैं भी आपके लिए दुआ करता हूं कि आपके लिए हर चीज अच्छी हो इस साल.
Last question for the day, please.
Hi, Shahrukh.
Hi, Shahrukh.
Hi. I have a question for Shahrukh. You came up with Ravan. You came up with a game on Ravan, and now you've come up with a game on Chennai Express. So, how evolved do you think, or how different are the games from each other, and how evolved is gaming for you?
We did it even for Dawn 2 actually. We did work on a game. Like I said before, I think I have a belief that when you are trying to entertain people through cinema, there are a lot of things that should be attached to cinema. We don't write books about the films we make. We don't archive the stuff that we are, doling out in front of the audience. And I think gaming and, digital space is a wonderful space to be on. And it's not only my personal interest that I like video games. It's very nice to say. It's like saying I'm a romantic hero, so people say I'm a gamer. But I think it's a method of communication and entertainment for a different sect of people who like games. So over the years, initially when we started, it was more difficult. But we had some great partnerships. Like I mentioned, Disney UTV is fantastic for digital gaming, for mobile gaming. And before that, we had with Sony once, for Ravan. And the experiences are only growing and evolving. And as the teams and, people, all the programmers and all, I think are the best in the world that we have in this country. Sometimes the economics are not allowing us to do it. But it's good to begin something like this. And hopefully as the years go by, it'll become. And you have lovely hair. Apart from everything else, I think your hair is fantastic.
Thank you.
Last two questions for the day, please. Ma'am,
Shahrukh, this is...
No.
Okay.
Shahrukh.
Last two questions for the evening. Thank you.
Shahrukh, this is
question
Shaleen
for
from
Sameer.
Radio City. My question to you is that, first of all, congratulations to the entire team for putting up such a fantastic game. Just wanted to know, you are a gaming freak yourself. So which is your favorite game? Because we have heard that you travel abroad and play a lot of games. So which game do you enjoy the most personally?
I like actually, the sporty games like soccer, FIFA.
Sure.
But now I see my son and everybody, they play these really intricate war games, online. I'm not much for that. Because I think gaming is a very individual thing, so I don't like to be in touch with people.
Shahrukh, just want to ask you, what is the most memorable win in the game of life? Would you consider yourself a winner?
one question, please.
I'm a hard-working trier in the
A
game of
question for
life.
Sameer.
Thank you.
A question for Sameer, Mr. Sameer. What role do you think the Bollywood
So I'm
games
the
on
distraction
Bollywood?
now.
Hi. What role do you think the Bollywood games play in gaming, in the gaming industry in India?
I think the DNA is absolutely synonymous. As I said earlier, we are a movie-crazy country, and when you have talent of the types of Mr. Shetty and Mr. Khan, and who also have the vision to look at IP traveling across the big screen and to the small screen as well, it provides a great opportunity for people to experience this in multiple forms. We are just trying here to carry this experience forward, and we hope that you will find the game as interesting as Mr. Shetty and Mr. Khan have liked it.
Okay, we move towards the photo op. Hold on.
Okay. We'll have 4 questions more. 4. Okay, settle down. Okay. So 4 more we'll do, okay?
Photography team से अनुरोध है बैठ जाएं. We'll have a photo op again.
Okay. Let's go on. Chalo. Quiet. Please.
शाहरुख, हाय शाहरुख, भावना दिस साइड.
Hi, भावना.
शाहरुख का अपने अभी का पर्सनल लाइफ पे बात नहीं करना चाहते, एक सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं. सलमान खान का
Sorry, ma'am.
कोर्ट में केस
Sorry,
गया
ma'am.
था. चार्जेस फ्रेम हुए हैं कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डर 10 साल की सजा हो सकती है व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट
This is
Thank
such
you.
a
Next question, please.
legal thing. You're asking me such a legal
No.
thing. I would not know about it to comment on it, darling.
No personal question.
Take the microphone, darling.
शाहरुख आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि ईद आने वाली है और इस बार ईद में क्या खास एक्साइटमेंट होने वाला है बिकॉज आपके घर पे एक नन्हा फरिश्ता आया हुआ है तो कैसे सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है
Yeah, I would see. हमारे लिए तो फिल्म वालों के लिए सबसे बड़ी ईद तब होती है जब हमारी फिल्म भी रिलीज है. तो इंशाल्लाह 9 या 10 तारीख को 9 तारीख को फिल्म रिलीज होगी. ईद शायद 9 या 10 को होगी. And I would really like to celebrate Eid apart from the religious sentiment attached to it and being Muslim. And with all the good news and good things that are happening to me, I would like to celebrate with the whole team and have a great party at home. And I'd like you all to come too. So in the daytime we'll all meet up and I'll try and make some nice Muslim food for all of you. Please come and celebrate with us. And I'd be only very, very honored. My family will be honored if all of you come and spend some time with me.
खान साहब जिस माफ कीजिएगा आपने जिस तरीके से बात की कि आप पर्सनल लाइफ है वो सब कुछ ठीक है लेकिन आपने पर्सनल लाइफ को आपने खुद ही ट्विटर पे डाल दिया था तो वो क्या था मतलब ट्विटर पे आपने अपनी भावना व्यक्त की थी जब सलमान से आप मिले थे तो वो क्या
वो तुम्हारा टेक है कि तुम मेरे ट्विटर को जैसा मर्जी पढ़ो
लेकिन
कमाल है यार
लेकिन सर आपने कहा पर्सनल लाइफ है और उसके बाद ट्विटर पे आके तो वो पर्सनल लाइफ
तो मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ है ना जो मर्जी करूं मेरा ट्विटर मेरे बाप का ट्विटर है
Next question, please. And the last one for the evening. We proceed towards to the photo op. Something related to the game, please. The lady.
It's about Shahrukh. Hi, yeah. Shahrukh, all the songs are just going superb, and currently Lungi Dance is doing well. So, what would you like to say about it?
पहले तो हम
Please, and also we would like to share one step with you, all the reporters.
Okay. All the girls and the guys.
The girls.
It's okay.
Not fair.
नहीं, लड़के नहीं
Not
यार।
fair.
Yeah.
वो लड़के सब उल्टे सीधे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हम बात नहीं कर रहे लड़कों से ओके सो पहली बात तो ये कि आई थिंक जब हम कॉमेडी फिल्म बनती है उसके अंदर ना म्यूजिक देना बहुत मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज म्यूजिक से कभी कभी कॉमेडी फिल्म की स्टोरी में आ जाता कोई रोक लगा देती है सो आई थिंक विशाल शेखर हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब आई वर्क विद देम इन रावण personally and I worked with them in Om Shanti Om and they have been exemplary as far as music is concerned. इस फिल्म में मुझे लगता है और भी difficult था and they've given a great set of music. और having said that, I think दो romantic गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं तेरा रास्ता छोड़ू ना and Titli and 1 2 3 4 even Ready Steady Popo even SP Balasubramaniam ji का the great score and the film when you see it it'll look even nicer because it's a comic film. It doesn't stop the storytelling. It forwards it. और उसके बाद बीच में Yo-Yo Honey Singh, that's how he says him. Yo-Yo Honey Singh, he was wanting to do a video with me और ऐसे ही उसने एक बारी कहीं हम मिले तो कहा आप मेरे वीडियो में भाग लीजिएगा. And recently he had a song about praising Rajnikant Saab. And it is called the Thalaiva, and that's what he's called. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The big man, the big boss, the Thalaiva tribute. So he was talking about doing a song. I thought it is very apt कि हमारी फिल्म है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस और वो ये म्यूजिक वीडियो बना रहे हैं. So I requested Deepika and we all went and participated in it. It's a very naughty, nice song. And inshallah it should be out in a few days. And it's not part of the film. But I think it adds to the flavor of the film. That's why I did it. Timing was very good. कुछ चीजों की timing अच्छी हो जाती है. And it's very naughty, it's very sweet. And Deepika's danced very well in it. And we have this very cute tribute to the Thalaiva, the great Mr. Rajnikant. So hopefully when it comes out, musically also it's very interesting. People will enjoy it. Yeah.
Shahrukh, one last question from here. How was your experience? You came here to launch the mobile game. How was your experience here at Reliance Digital? The coolest tech store. How was your experience here, sir? The Reliance team पूरी खड़ी है. पूरी Reliance team जानना चाहती है. They love you. And how was your experience here with them?
एक तो बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छी है और नहीं सचमुच मुझे मौका नहीं मिलता है कि मैं बाहर जाके to go to stores and see them. I've seen only international stores, but ये जो Reliance Digital Express है, the way I went downstairs, हम photo shoot कर रहे थे वहाँ पे मैं और रोहित. I think it's beautiful display and to get everything under one roof, digital and electronic. And I again want to thank them on behalf of Chennai Express, on behalf of Disney UTV, and on behalf of the press that you guys have allowed us to come here. और हम इसी बात से खुश हैं कि मुंबई में इतनी बड़ी जगह मिल गई हमको आने के लिए, तो हम आते रहेंगे. But I'd like to even go down and buy some speakers and stuff there. But thank you so much, Reliance Digital Express, for allowing us to be here. And it's a wonderful place, and hopefully you guys will do very, very well. Thank you.
And let's have the photo op. Let's move on with the photo op, sir.
तो कैसे
Official unveiling. We have an unveil. It's
how to do this with the girls? ऐसे ये तो हम कर लेंगे, हमारा लुंगी डांस नहीं हो रहा.
And there we have it, the official launch of Chennai Express mobile game, flanked by the team from UTV, represented by Mr. Samir Ganapathy, Shah Rukh Khan and Rohit Shetty. Thank you. Wow, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Take my snap, dude. Where's my photographer? I was here with Mr. Khan. Thank you.
தமிழ் தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில ஒன் செகண்டா
मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहां मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूं जो यहाँ इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर बीच पे लगा ले 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor booty shake the funk so hardcore show ya hit the party hit the gimme some more
All right. And with that, we come to an end to today's presentation here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. आपसे अनुरोध है, press से अनुरोध है. We have snack boxes for you when you're moving down, when you proceed towards the ground floor. Please collect your snack boxes. Thank you.
माइसेल्फ राहुल 40 साल का हो गया और नॉर्मली इस एज तक हर किसी की लाइफ में एक आधा बड़ा ट्विस्ट तो आ ही जाता है। मेरी लाइफ में भी एक ट्विस्ट आया, बहुत बड़ा ट्विस्ट, जिससे मेरी लाइफ ही बदल गई।
इसी के साथ जो हुई, तुम उसका सोलो विटनेस, इसलिए तुम हमारा साथ कुंभन गांव जाती चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस ले। कुंभन एरिया में मेरा फादर का बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है। यू नो पेरियतलाई
टीचर
इल्ले डॉन
छुट्टी मनाने निकला था, तुमने मेरी छुट्टी कर दी। Underestimate the power of a common man.
कोई तो ना।
मीनम्मा को कर डालूंगा। मीनम्मा, मेरी डिक्शनरी में इम्पॉसिबल का शब्द ही नहीं है।
अच्छा, कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी?
खरीद के बैठ जा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस।
जब से मेरी लाइफ में आई हो, माई लाइफ फक्स।
What?
फक्स।